How to change country in Google Play Store. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can change your country or region on Google Play Store. For that, you first need to head over to Play Store and make sure to log into your account. Once logged in, you can just tap on the profile icon at the top right corner and then tap on Payments and Subscription. Then you'll find this option called Payment Methods. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once you get to payment methods, click on More Payment Settings and you'll be taken to a web browser. Here, just make sure that you're logged into the same account. Now, if you've already added a certain payment method, you should be able to find the hamburger menu on the top left corner of your screen. From there, you can add another payment method. If this is your first time, you can just click on Add a Payment Method. Now, all you have to do is enter your card details, and under your billing address, you can select your desired country. And once you have done that, just enter the correct address and you should be good to go. So that's how you basically change country in Google Play Store. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.